Hi there. I'm Anna. Welcome to your English practice today. I'm so happy you're here. Let's practice English together. It's simple. It's slow. And it's fun. It's simple. It's slow. And it's fun. Just listen to me first. Then repeat exactly what I say. Don't worry about being perfect. Just follow me. Part 1. Anna's morning. Every morning, I wake up slowly. I open my eyes and look at the ceiling. My room is quiet. The light is soft. I take a deep breath. I stretch my arms wide. It feels so good to stretch. I sit on the edge of my bed. I look out the window. The sky is light blue this morning. I can hear birds outside. Their singing is gentle and sweet. I smile. Today is going to be a good day. I believe that every morning. Part 2. Anna gets ready. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the tap. The water is cold. I splash cold water on my face. Oh, that wakes me up fast. I look in the mirror. My hair is messy. I laugh at myself a little. I brush my teeth carefully. Then I comb my hair. Now I look better. I choose my clothes for today. I want to feel comfortable. I pick something simple. Getting ready doesn't take long for me. I like to keep mornings easy. Part 3. Anna makes breakfast. Now I feel hungry. I walk into the kitchen. I open the refrigerator. Let me see what I have today. I decide to make eggs and toast. Simple food makes me happy. I also make a cup of tea. The hot tea smells wonderful. I sit down at my small table. I eat slowly. I don't rush my breakfast. This is my quiet time. I think about my day ahead. What do I want to do today? I want to practice my English. That is my daily goal. Even 15 minutes every day helps me. Small habits create big results. Part 4. Anna talks about learning English. I want to tell you something. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes I feel frustrated. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I make grammar mistakes. And that is completely okay. Every person who speaks English fluently was once a beginner. They made the same mistakes you make. The difference is they didn't stop. They kept practicing. Every day. A little bit. Slowly. That is what I do too. I listen to English conversations. I repeat the sentences out loud. I copy the rhythm and the emotion. Not just the words. The feeling behind the words. That is how real fluency grows. Part 5. Anna goes for a walk. After studying, I go outside. I love walking in the morning. The air feels fresh and clean. The neighborhood is waking up. I see a woman walking her dog. The dog is small and very fluffy. I see 2 children going to school. They are carrying big backpacks. I see a man reading a newspaper. He is sitting on a bench. While I walk, I practice English in my head. I describe what I see. The tree is tall and green. The road is quiet this morning. The clouds are moving slowly. You can do this too. Describe your world in English. Anywhere you go is an English classroom. Part 6. Anna's encouragement. Can I tell you something honest? When I started learning English, I was very shy. I was afraid to speak. I thought my accent was wrong. I thought my sentences were too simple. But I was wrong. Simple English is beautiful English. Clear is better than complicated. Your accent is part of who you are. Don't hide it. Own it. What matters is that you communicate. What matters is that you try. So please don't be too hard on yourself. You are doing something brave. You are learning a new language. That takes courage. I am proud of you for being here. Final challenge. Let's go a little faster now. Repeat immediately after each sentence. Ready? My name is Anna and I love learning English. Every morning I practice for 15 minutes. Small daily practice is more powerful than one long session. I am not afraid of making mistakes anymore. Mistakes mean I am trying and growing. My English gets a little better every single day. I believe in myself and I enjoy this journey. You did really well today. I mean that. Finishing a practice session is not small. A lot of people stop before they finish. But you stayed. That says something good about you. Remember what we practiced today. Wake up with energy. Start your day with gratitude. Practice English every day, even just a little. Describe the world around you in English. Be kind to yourself when you make mistakes. And keep going. I'll be here for your next practice too. Until then, take care of yourself. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep going. This is Anna. Goodbye.